This video was created in connection with the mailing of the Preliminary Director's Report for the Palouse River Basin Adjudication. As a result, the demonstration discusses how to search for adjudication claims and recommendation records in order to find information that can be useful in reviewing a preliminary recommendation. With that said, much of the information shown here is applicable to non-adjudication records. In this video, I will go over how to search for your water right from IDWR's website and how to find related information using IDWR's text-based search. So there's a couple ways to start. You can either type in the web address, which is www.idwr.idaho.gov. And that will take you to our home page. Or most browsers, if you just search for IDWR, then the first result is going to be the Department of Water Resources. So once you're at our home page, hover over the word water rights, then go to search water rights. This takes you to the page with the disclaimer, but it lists some of what you can find in this system. So I'm going to agree to the terms. And so this takes you to the search screen. Now, as you can see, you can search using various parameters, but in this demonstration I will search using the water right number. So on the second line down, I'm going to select the radio button next to search for a specific basin right or transfer number. And then I'm going to check the box that says claim water right basin. Now you've got your preliminary recommendation that was mailed to you, and so you should have your water right number. And so this is going to show you, we're going to search for information on that water right number. So in the demo here, I'm going to put in Basin 87 and 2016. And then you've got to hit Save Search Parameters. This is important. If you don't hit that, then it won't work. So you save the search parameter and start searching. All right, so we've got a list of 3 different results for that basin sequence. We've got a water right record, recommendation record, and a claim record. In this case, we want to look at the claim record so we can compare it to the preliminary recommendation that was mailed out and see if the recommendation kind of fits with the claim or if something differed. So there's a couple things you can do here. You can go to the claim record and you can select details. What this will bring up is essentially the textual information of the claim record you filed. So we've got claim listed right up here. So this would be what the Department of Transportation claimed under this water right. Now I'm going to go back 1 tab. The other option is you can try to look at the original claim, the scanned document. To do that, you would go to More Options. And when you do that, you get a box here with Documents, General Provisions, and Map. So the first thing we're going to look at is Documents. And what this is a link to all the scanned documents that IDWR has related to that water right number. When you click on that, it brings the scanned PDF. This is exactly what we have on IDWR's internal database. And so I'm going to click on this Notice a Claim. And so now we can see the original claim that was filed. And you can do this with your water right number, and you can look and compare the elements of the claim with how IDWR recommended your water right. I'm going to go back. Now the other thing, in one of the other videos we talked about how in the preliminary mailing, unless you had irrigation as a purpose of use on your water right, you were not mailed a map. Maps were only mailed with preliminary recommendations where irrigation was one of the uses. But you can generate a map here to see the location of the point of diversion and the place of use as it's stored on IDWR's GIS database. So I'm going to click on map here. Well, this could take a few minutes. And then a PDF file is created. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And there we can see the recommended place of use and point of diversion that was recorded on IDWR's GIS database. So that's how you can, one way you can get a map, even if you weren't sent one in the preliminary recommendation. I think that pretty much concludes this video. Of course, if you have any questions, you can always go up to the Contact Us link at the top of IDWR's webpage and find the contact information to the office most convenient to you, and give us a call or send us an email and we'll try to answer your questions. Thank you very much.